Hey beauties, it's Sarah from Color Me Beautiful, and today I'm excited because this collection has really been based off you guys. You've been asking for what the products are that are fast, that are easy, and that will give you complete complexion perfection. So with that in mind, we said, you know what, let's do a video, but not only a video, we're going to create an entire collection around that you get to choose your foundation, your primer, your concealer, and your blush, all based off your season. And if you don't know your season, we'll make sure we have the link in the description below, and also this collection will be in the description below as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first part of this kit is your primer, choosing the right primer. Now, you guys know that pretty much every single video I do, I love Underglow just because you get that glowing skin look, but sometimes you need to just take a step back and see what your skin needs. Right now, I am having some trouble with my skin. We have this cold weather, warm weather, cold weather, warm weather thing going on right now, and it's just making my skin go crazy, and my skin doesn't know what to do. So today I am trying to hide some blemishes. I am also trying to hide some fine lines that are going on my skin. So today I am using the Velvet Foundation Primer. Now this product is incredible. It has hyaluronic acid, so it's going to help treat my skin as well as hide any imperfections I may have. So I'm just going to be pressing this onto the skin. The next thing you're going to be choosing is either the eyeshadow base or the concealer wheel. Concealer wheel is amazing. It is 4 targeted concealers that will hide any imperfections you might have. But today I'm going to be using the eyeshadow base. Now I know you might be thinking, well, that's not a concealer, but this eyeshadow base is incredible and can be used as a concealer, which is what's amazing about this. Now it comes in this really easy wand application, and all I'm going to do is apply it to any areas that I need to conceal a little bit extra. And I'm going to be hiding redness around my nose and a little under my eyes, and it looks like my forehead area. And now I'm just blending it in with a beauty blender. Alright, next step is going to be our foundation. We have the pressed powder and we have the loose mineral powder. Both of them are incredible foundation. It really just depends on what kind of coverage you want. If you want a light to sheer, go with the pressed powder. If you want a heavier coverage, go with the loose mineral foundation. And the shade I'm going to be using in the loose mineral foundation is Light. I absolutely love this product because it is so easy to use. You can't go wrong with it. All you do is pour a little product into the cap, and you're going to take a kabuki brush and tap the product onto the brush and apply straight to the face. It's such an easy to use product. Now as you can see, I am brushing down because we want to hide any hairs that we have on the face. And as you can see, it doesn't take much to conceal with this foundation. Alright, so that's how easy foundation is, and it only takes a couple seconds. And lastly is your choice of a blush. Today, I'm going to be doing something different. You guys know I love Cedar Rose blush, which is usually in all of my videos. But today, since I do have my hair down, it's a little bit darker, I'm going to be going with Allspice, which is our deeper, warmer shade. Now with this, I'm only going to be applying a little, so just grab that kabuki brush again, do one pat into the powder, you're going to just shake it off the excess, and we're going to smile and apply directly to the apples of our cheeks. So here's the final look. It only took me a couple minutes to get complete complexion perfection. And I want to hear from you guys. What is going to be your primer choice in the comments below? And if you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more from Color Me Beautiful, make sure to subscribe to the channel.